Ar ôl ail afel yn ei freuddwyd o fod yn athro, mae Rhys yn mwynhau llwyddiant ysgubol. Rhys's inspirational learning journey has formed part of a case study to be presented at the upcoming Future Directions Conference.
Rhys is a really good student and we're very proud of him because he has always applied himself. He has been one of these students who has worked really hard to achieve his goals, has always set himself targets, has always listened to feedback that we've given him and used that feedback to develop his own, not only his practice, but his written work as well.
I've been working in a local primary school, Gwobrau Primary School, and also in Tesco's petrol station in Caerdydd Cross, and just helping support me in my finances through building up my professional development.
All the coursework, for doing this qualification is, that's a full-time job in itself, so he works very hard.
When he qualified as a level 2, he was employed then by the school because they could see that the exemplary practice he had, the skills that he had in supporting children.
I enjoy it because the children are learning. You're passing information that you know onto the children, and it's nice to see that they are developing through things that you are teaching them. That's a proud moment as a teacher and as a practitioner to see those children progress. And it's challenging as well for those children who don't progress, because you're there supporting as much as you can and you are trying the best for the children, and they are our future.
His natural ability with the children is just amazing.
In the future, I would like to become a primary school teacher.
Rhys is definitely cut out for teaching. I can imagine him doing anything else.
He will make the most wonderful teacher, primary school teacher.
Further on down the line, and possibly become the head of a lovely primary school somewhere in Wales.